Hey, Richard Webster here with Kriete Truck Centers in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to show you this 2017 HINO 268A. This truck is equipped with a 260 horsepower HINO J08E engine and an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. A few key features include a medium-duty beverage body, perfect for route delivery and distribution, rear air suspension for smoother ride and enhanced load stability, front axle rated at 12,000 pounds, and rear axle at 21,000 pounds for a strong hauling capacity, aluminum wheels, and a 90-gallon fuel capacity for efficiency on the road. Visit KrieteTrucks.com or call me 920-883-0960.